Hola, hola, welcome back to the Spanish word of the day. Learn daily Spanish with Mr. Briggs. Today's word is the word friendly. How do we say that someone is friendly in Spanish? Well, we're just about to learn, but before that, click the red button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to gain access to the printables, you may want to join my VIP membership. Check it out. Okay, my dear friends, the word friendly in Spanish is pronounced amigable. 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 Similar to amicable. Amigable. That means friendly. One more time. Amigable. And this word can be used by both genders. So if you're a male, you say, yo soy amigable. And if you're a female, you also say, yo soy amigable. For example, this girl, she's friendly. Yo soy amigable. I'm friendly. And this guy, yo soy amigable. Yo soy amigable. I'm friendly. Amigable is spelled A-M-I-G-A-B-L-E. He is friendly. Look at him. He's got a big smile and a thumbs up. Él es amigable. Él no es amigable. This one is not friendly. But the other one was. Look at him. Maybe he is amigable. Él es amigable. I reckon the other dude wasn't, but this one, not bad. Oh, definitely. She is friendly. Ella es amigable. Ella es amigable. She's got a beautiful smile. Ella es amigable. She's friendly. Amigable. Excelente. Muy bien. Now we're going to see some examples using amigable in the past tense. This is very easy. Él era amigable. He was friendly. Él era amigable. Like this guy. Él era amigable. Amigable. Ella era amigable. Ella era amigable. She was friendly. Ella era amigable. Amigable. ¿Eres amigable? Are you friendly? Amigables with an S. That's friendly, but in plural. When you say ellos son amigables, you're saying they are friendly. One more time, let's revise how we spell this word. A-M-I-G-A-B-L-E. In Spanish, A-M-I-G-A-B-L-E. Amigable, like this dude. Look at him. It's friendly, yes. Thank you once again for watching my videos, my dear friends. As I said to you yesterday, I may be doing a face review very soon. So I hope that you subscribe and I hope to see you tomorrow. I will be uploading another video. Please take care and I'll see you mañana. Hasta mañana. Ciao, ciao.